everyone, and welcome back to the channel. For today's video, I am going to teach you on how you can add a family member on your Amazon account. So, without further ado, let's begin. The first thing that we need to do is to type amazon.com on your web browser, and once you're in this main screen right here, make sure that you log in your account. Once logged in, hover your mouse on the top right corner right here, and on the drop-down menu, click on Account. From this screen, we're going to click on Your Amazon Family. Now, as you can see, I currently have two family members, Workspace and Work. How can I add a new one? First, simply click here, and then you can choose whether that new member is an adult, 18 years old or older, or a child, 12 years old and under. So let's add a child. Now, you can simply put your child's first name. Let's say Grim, indicate his birthday. Something like that. Choose any icon that you want and create. And a new member is added. How about an adult? Again, click on Add a New Member. Click on Add Adult. Now, you can either link two separate accounts to share benefits and content between your account and one additional adult account, or you can simply create a profile in this account that you're currently using. We're going to do that for this video. So simply click on Create, and then provide a name, and click on Create again. Wait for a few seconds, and that's it. I now currently have 4 accounts or 4 family members in my Amazon account. So, if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to click like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful video tutorials. See you in the next video. Bye!